Okay, this is the Frugal Gal back with another lot. So this lot is going to be called A Little Bit of Everything, because that's what it is. I put a little bit of everything in there. So, same rules apply if this is the first video you're watching where I'm selling lots. I will give you the price of the lot. The first person who comments down below that they want the lot, you will then need to email me if I don't have it, your PayPal information. That's how the form of payment that I accept. And I will ship it the cheapest way possible. We will weigh it to make sure it's not over a pound, or if it is, it will be a little higher. So, let's start. In this lot, what you're going to get, I know I usually don't sell watches, but I'm selling this one. And you guys can go look this up. This is a Charming, like Sherman, sorry. This is a Charming Charlie watch. It is brand new. You can see that it still has a little plastic thing on it. And it still has its stopper in it where it's never been pulled out and worn. So if you look these up, they retail for about 30 bucks, guys. So there you go, Charming Charlie. I will even give you the number on the back if I can so you can look it up. It's number 1479. Look that up and you can see what those are going for. So that will be in this lot. This is a cuff bracelet, as you can see. It is signed on the back, Leonard, genuine pewter, made in, I can't read it now, I knew what it was. Hold on, let me pause this for a minute. Okay, it's made in Bolivia. I couldn't read that without getting loopy-loo out. Now, the reason why I'm not selling it, taking the time to sell it, these do go for a large amount. Look them up, Leonard, 100% pewter. See, doesn't stick. It's personally engraved with some initials. I think the initials are S-A-S or B-A. I don't know, but it's a good cuff bracelet. You can buy them and you can have them personalized, and they're pretty expensive. Then you get this. I don't know what this is. If you could wear it as a bracelet. If it's an actual bootstrap, it says bootstrap on it. It says that it says bootstrap, and it says it was listed at $24 and it didn't sell. So you're getting that. That's why I call this a little bit of everything. Some hoop earrings that are pierced, and they're lever back pierced. I am the brooch girl, so I have to put the brooches in there. This is a really pretty, it's not a signed brooch, perfect shape, nothing wrong with any of this jewelry. A little bitty pin, I think that is supposed to be the letter L. This beautiful pendant. Antique gold tone and all that green. Yep. A little bit of everything. A little bitty bobby pin with amethyst in there. Probably not real amethyst, but it is in a prong setting, so it is really nice. You also, because this could be a tie clip. Might not be for your hair. Then I just have these 3 necklaces down here. I'm going to kind of show them to you. They're really short necklaces. Not sure how long they are. They're just dainty necklaces if you like dainty short necklaces. This is a gold tone one with some faux pearls. The one with a heart pendant. And one with a little faux faux diamond pendant or rhinestone. So you get all 3 of those. Now because I'm putting some name brand stuff in there that you saw was expensive, and go ahead and look up that Charming Charlie watch. This is a $20 lot plus shipping. Let's see how much it weighs. Oops, I did that wrong. Oops, sorry, I did that wrong. I have to wait for it to beep. I know that. Let's go beep, then you have to put it on there. Ooh, 8.3 ounces, so this will ship for probably around $4 or $5. Probably $4. So $20 plus the shipping, and I will send it just like this in this bag wrapped up in bubble wrap. So leave first person who says they want this. It's a little bit of everything, and look up that pewter bracelet and that Charming Charlie's new watch. It's never been worn. Okay guys, thanks for joining me. Leave me a thumbs up, please.